Good day wishes to all. It's really a honor that beloved sister Geetanjali arranges these collections of poems to be provided across the sweep of wind around Aircut. The title of my poem is Lustrous Side of the Soothing Fire. Fire in the blacksmith's red hot hearth or in the fuel burning furnace clusters offer many a creative gadgets and services. Fire in the inventor's soul and mind, transpired in a determined focus, delivers new routes in the maneuvers of humankind. Fire in nature's taker's bubbling blood, which outsojourns in the realm of treasures, reveals epics and magnum opuses of veneration. Fire ignited in the vehicle's engine that counterpoise in speed that of human thought, enables to take a traverse across the globe. Fire in stages, relieved through many stacks, consumes the brain food of umpteen rocketeers, positions the satellite in the willed orbit. Fire in the far distant celestial bodies, which are set in ordained state and motion, nurtures the light and life in this orphaned planet. Fire taking the arms in hand and wielding the same with the name hungry, smashes all rules and regulations for the sake of gullet. Fire in upkeeping the human rights and values with a team of only a handful nobles, plants seeds of eternal beauty in civics yard. Fire in the ever in service incinerators to where all the refuses are dumped, reduces all those sin soaked items into ashes. Fire in the holy crucible of Atman, reincarnating the aiming and the final salvation, keeps going on beaten path to the yonder abode. Fire in the star-crossed lovers of joy, with ever all wonderful face of time and elegance, produces variety of flowers with very many colors and scent to bloom. Fire in unparalleled sect of mother care, whose shining exuberance excels everything, diminishes all sort of love to its common denominator. Thank you.